boys and girls, so these are basically the same as what we did yesterday. We're just subtracting 10. So pretty much what we just need to do is figure out how many 10 sticks there are, and then we just do the number that comes before. So let's count this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So if I cross one of those out, I have 40 left. This next one's pretty simple. It's 20. So if I take away 10, what's left is what? 10. Good. Okay, let's look at this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If I take 10 away, I'm left with 50. Let's look at this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Take away 10. How many do I have left? 70. Very good. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. If I have 70 and I take away 10, I have 60 left. Okay, let's try this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Take away 10, I have 50. Oh, look at that pattern. 70, 60, 50. Okay, 30 minus 10, how many are left? 20. And 10 minus 10 is 0. Very good. Okay, on the back, we just have minus 2s. So you can just go ahead and solve those. Pretty simple and an easy review.